Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one-oi Great Dane, back with day 219 Star Drop opening and day 6 of the Lunar Brawl events. So let's see what we have for our Star Drop.
Rare.
Starting with the rare. 50 points.
Legendary.
Also a legendary, that's nice. I would definitely take that. Pretty cool one, comes with 3.2.
Epic.
And then I think, look at that. Another pin. Not too shabby, guys. And you'll also notice the new background going on here. I'm not even sure how to describe it. So it's a celebration of the carnival or carnival. Again, I'm not really sure the exact specifications, and I don't want to say it wrong because I'm not well educated on the topic, but Flag Bearer Piper is finally in the shop for 149 gems. It's another one of those offers where you can buy it in multiple stages. Again, I'm considering getting it myself, but we'll have to see. So, we also have 8 free gems in the shop. Again, getting free gems is pretty rare to come by, so it's looking like a pretty good day so far. I don't think anything else special besides the actual event itself, being Lunar Brawl and the new skin. There's notification in the news tab, but I think that's just the fact that Flag Bearer Piper is in the game, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Some close-up art, I guess. We have the other Lunar Brawl skins still in the shop if you wanted those. For the daily freebie, I have 10 power points. Anytime now. As well as 60 XP doublers. Again, I really don't know why it's so laggy. I feel like it is getting worse over time, isn't it? Is that just me? Again, the actual game seems to be loading fine. I have no idea why that's taking so long. So, again, I'm not seeing anything else special going on. So, as of today, I have 10,760 XP doublers and 28,452 power points. Again, I can only see that number getting bigger, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them all. So, hopefully Supercell will revert the decision to add a unlimited amount of power points. Again, I really have no idea what they're thinking with this one, other than hopefully getting people to buy more coins. But yeah, let's see how far I can take this, guys. Let me know if you plan on getting the new Flag Bearer Piper skin.